I recently bought this stethoscope and blood pressure kit for my youngest daughter who expressed interest in going into my field of nursing, a mother's dream, right? So she's getting ready to take a CNA certification class. So I wanted her to have something really cute and reliable to start her exploration. So I love this kit. First of all, is purple her favorite color, but it came in this nice little bag. The blood pressure cuff is standard, really easy to use, especially for a beginner. And the stethoscope also was really quality. I've tested it out for her. You can change it right here. Perfect for a beginner doing what she's going to be doing. I love that it has a little carry case so she won't lose it. Definitely recommend.